Hey everyone, I'm Kelly with suburbansoapbox.com, and today we're making a quick and easy egg salad. Egg salad is one of our favorite things to make because it's so simple and you always have eggs in the house. And it's great for back to school lunches or using up all of those leftover hard-boiled Easter eggs. So to start, I made my hard-boiled eggs in an Instant Pot. You can make them whatever way works for you. This is a great way to use up eggs that don't peel so well because they don't have to be picture perfect. So the Instant Pot makes your eggs peel splendidly, and you can check out that video sometime when you have time. So we're going to crack open the eggs. And depending on the size of your eggs, you can use about six or seven eggs. You'll get a nice big batch of egg salad that you can make at the beginning of the week. And what I'm going to do is cut the egg in half, and we're going to pop out the yolk into the bowl. And then you're gonna save the whites. We'll use them a little bit later. So let's get all the egg yolks in the bowl. And I found the best way to crack your eggs is to make sure you crack them all the way around the entire egg instead of just tapping a couple times on each side. If you're gonna crack the whole peel, it kind of peels off a little bit easier. Pop that out. And we have 3 more to go. And make sure you don't get any shell in there. I'm kind of making a mess here, so I'm gonna be sure you don't get any shells in your egg salad. Whoever gets the shell can wash the dishes. It's like a prize. I'm gonna pop that last one out. And then we're gonna add some mayonnaise to the bowl. And what you're gonna do is really create like a dressing out of your egg yolks and your mayonnaise. So I like to use a good mayonnaise. Just find one that you like. Don't go too heavy on it. If you do, I like to save one of my hard-boiled eggs just in case I do put too much mayonnaise in there, and then I have like an extra one just to kind of make it less mayonnaise-y. Egg salad can be kind of like mushy and like baby food, so I like to add a little texture where I can for it to make it taste better. Okay, so now that it's smooth, we're going to add a little bit of dry mustard, and I'm not even going to measure it. I just put in about half a teaspoon, and then you're going to mix that in. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Just sprinkle that in. So now that you have the dressing made for your egg salad, because it's not really a dressing, it's more just to blend it all together, kind of like egg salad glue. That sounds so appetizing. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But we're going to cut up your egg whites, and cut up the egg whites pretty fine. You're just gonna run your knife through a few times until everything is chopped finely. So now that your egg whites are all chopped up, we're going to add them to the egg salad dressing. For a little freshness, I like to add some green onion or scallion. The green onion's a little lighter than chopping up an onion and putting in there, but you can definitely use like a finely chopped red onion, and you don't need a lot of it. I'll just use about 3 really small scallions, and it's gonna add some color and freshness to the egg salad. I'm gonna add that to the bowl. And then 1 celery stalk. Be sure to wash your celery and dry it off really well so that you don't have a waterlogged egg salad. And I like to just split it down the middle. It makes it a little easier to chop up. And we're gonna finely chop that. all the way to the end. And for smaller chunks, just run your knife through it one more time so you don't have big giant chunks of celery. It helps make the egg salad, when you take a bite, all the flavors are kind of cohesive and you don't have like one big bite of celery and it tastes like a celery sandwich. I don't know if I would like a celery sandwich, but if you like big chunks, you certainly can do it. So we're gonna throw that in as well. And now we're just gonna mix it up. And just blend everything together. And then if you want to add a little bit of fresh parsley, it's more for color than for flavor. It just kind of makes it look a little more interesting. So if you're just serving like your egg salad on a crostini for like a brunch instead of a sandwich, I like to add a little parsley just to make it look a little bit prettier. Egg salad sounds kind of plain, but it's really not. It's very tasty and very easy, and it's a great way to kind of mix things up if you're having like an impromptu lunch or a quick dinner with friends. You can put it on a crostini or stuff it in an egg white half, like a deviled egg, but better. And that's it. That's it. It's so fresh and so tasty and not boring at all, to me. Let's taste it. It's fresh and light and vibrant with a little hint of salt. It is the perfect egg salad and super easy. We made that in about 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like and a subscribe. And for more easy recipes, be sure to follow thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.